I can't stand the rain against my window, bringing back sweet memories. Yeah, when the rain, do you remember how sweet it used to be? Just one sound that I just can't stand. I can't stand the rain against my window, bringing back sweet memories. I can't stand the rain against my window, 'cause he's not here with me. My window, bringing back sweet memories. I can't stand the rain against my window. Just keeps on haunting me. Yeah, rain, get off my window, 'cause he's not here with me.
Billy, why are you dressed up like an ant?
Because there are ants in the driveway, and I need to tell them that they need to move before Dad comes home and drives over them.
Why don't you just pick them up and move them?
Because there's too many.
Why don't you just sweep them out of the way?
Because it'll hurt them.
Why don't you just squirt them away with water?
I tried that, but they just came back.
So why are you dressed up like an ant?
Because I want to be like Jesus.
Jesus didn't dress up like an ant.
Yeah, but he became a baby and grew up and told us that he loves us and that we need him.
When did he do that?
At Christmas time.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to become an ant and tell them that they have to move before Dad comes home.
Can I help?
Yeah, you go get Dad's headphones and we'll glue some springs on for antennas.
Okay, then what?
Then you go tell them that I'm coming and then...
Hi, kids, I'm home.
No!
Another message from Lifeline Productions, the comic strip of radio at lifelinepro.com.